Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video. Here we are going to teach you how to make some unique and lovely magical DIYs, and you're gonna dive into the magical world of crafts and sheets. So get your sheets, just grab them with your hands, hold them, keep on folding the sheets and giving it a layer like this. You just have to keep on getting the sheets folded and get them beautifully arranged in this pattern. Unwrap them and get these curly folds in this manner so as to get pretty cool and amazing craft. Now get a green sheet. With the help of your hands, gently fold them and press them in this manner. And let's see what are we gonna do here. You just have to get them beautifully attached and secure them in this manner. Get them entangled in this way. Now get this stick. You need to get it on the top of it and get the flower made onto it. Now, how do we make a snail like this? You have to get the circular sheet, get them beautifully attached in this manner. Now just grab all the sheets together. Now you have to paste them in this manner. Now here you have to get the sheets, arrange them together in this way, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty, isn't it? Now here what are we gonna do? Your cute lovely snails are ready. Now here, what are we gonna do here? You have to grab the sheets, get them from the middle, you have to arrange them together in this manner. Now here, you have to get them beautifully secured in this position, and then what are we gonna do here? You have to get them folded and secure them in this manner. Now get the sheet, just keep on pressing them with the help of your fingers, get the folds as per the requirements, and you need to give it a beautiful and lovely look like this. Keep on getting the folds, you have to secure them into this manner. Now here you have to get the sheets, get them beautifully folded and secured in this position, get them beautifully arranged like this, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now you have to make these magical moments captured, and here you have to just getting the leg part and then the wings beautifully arranged in this way so as to get a googly eye pasted, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now here again get the orange sheet. What are we gonna do out of it? You have to secure them into a position like this. Now getting them beautifully enrolled in this manner. Now pressing it with the help of your fingers, getting the shape beautifully attached in this pattern and getting these beautiful, lovely, cute, adorable butterflies. Now here, get the sheet, you have to get the patterns, get the cutouts in this manner and get them pasted into a beautiful lovely bow like this. And this is gonna look so pretty. Get them beautifully entangled over the rolls like this. And this is gonna look so amazing, right?